How to fix your SIM card not working on your iPhone. So if your SIM card is not working, there are several steps that you can follow to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Here is a step-by-step guide to fix it. So very first step is that you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple start can resolve the issue. You have to hold down the power button and your volume up button at the same time until the slider appears. Then you have to slide to power off. After your iPhone has been successfully shut down, you have to hold the power button again after the few seconds to turn it back on. Once you have successfully restarted your device, you have to take the SIM card. So you have to remove and insert the SIM card. So you can also try different SIM card if possible, if that resolve your issue or not. Also, you have to check for the career setting update. Navigate to your device setting. Once you are on your device setting, go for your general option and tap on the about option. Once you are on your about option, so if your career setting update is available, a prompt will be asked to update you. Just go for the software update, that is also known as the software update. Look for the update option here. So you have to update your iOS too. Outdated software can sometimes cause SIM card issue too. Also, if you have enabled your airframe mode here, you have to simply disable it too. Also, if you are still having the trouble, you can try resetting your network setting. Go for your general option and scroll down to find the transfer or reset your iPhone. And tap on the reset option and just go for the reset your network setting here. So this will only reset the Wi-Fi network, password and VPN setting and also improve the SIM issues. Also, you have to check for the physical damages. If your iPhone for if you find any physical damages on your iPhone, especially near the SIM card slot, then you can just go and reach out to the Apple store or any other store for the further assistance. So that's it. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.